Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, February 14th, and we're looking at Window Traders Market Profile SPY WMN Triple Qs. Happy Valentine's Day to all out there. Don't forget it is Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed the Super Bowl last night. Actually a pretty entertaining football game. So that was kind of fun to watch. Amazing how the big boys, right, just like in stock trading, the big boys dictated the game there, right, with Stafford and Kupp connecting for the winning touchdown, and Aaron Donald playing some great defense there in that last series. And picking on their competition, right? Knowing your competition, who they pick on for the winning touchdown? Eli Apple. Amazing. Anyway, fun game. So what are we looking at this morning? So remember, on Friday, we all went out with double distribution days. We'll be treating Friday as two separate days today. They tried this morning, as you can see, to force this market down in all three of these. But what have we gotten so far? A B shape, right? Just for some long liquidation. So it looks like some of the lagged longs are getting out, along with shorts continuing to push. Now, again, it's 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. A lot can happen. But we've gone from trading below the base of the price probe in us and Qs. Remember, Russell did not probe on Friday. Back into still the lower distribution, but at least they're back into it, okay? So, overnight high right now, 442. Overnight low is 435.20. Should have all the other destinations I gave Friday. So, here's the game plan, and this goes for all three of these the indices. Right here in the middle of the lower distribution, there's really not much to lean on. Okay, now if we open above the base of the price probe, if it pushes back, can you take a long against K's low? You can, right? There's not a lot of distance between K's low and actually M's low, so you can use that as a long. I would use Friday's low as my out. You get below Friday's low, nothing's changed, and they're going to continue to try to push down, and you should have all those other destinations. Remember, any real push below Friday's low, there's not a lot. Really is not a lot between there and where I thought we had put in a short-term bottom at 420.76. So keep that in mind right now, okay? And that's also, for now, our yearly low down at 420.76. So that's one long play. A short play, if you're to push up against J's high, that's the top of the lower distribution. You can take a short against it. If you start getting into the single prints, it depends on how much heat you want to take. That set of single prints is fairly large. It's 77 cents. So I don't know if you want to take that much heat. You can get out of it and then try again in the single prints in H to see if they get rejected out of the upper distribution. Now remember, all these trades, even though they're against very visual areas for all these indexes, will be basically in value, which is the worst of your risk reward. So keep that in mind. Is the market short? Absolutely it is. I mean, just look at this market. They tried to rally on the 9th, right? And then on the 10th, we gapped lower, ripped up, only to sell off heavily. Friday opened up inside of Thursday's range, tried to go up, and then basically one time frame down the whole day. So short term, this market is still very short. But the shorts are not going to run scared just yet because they have all this to lean on. So just keep that in mind as we go forward. And then just quickly on the charts. So we're midway through the month. Right now it's an inside month for SPY and ES. I am calling the monthly down, okay? December put the monthly into balance. January took it down. It's still down right now, even though it's an inside month. The weekly is balance. It's a 2-week balance. Friday's low is the bottom of it. So if you come out of it, now you have to see if you get acceptance. If you get acceptance below Friday's low, well, guess what? At some point, your destination will be 420.76. If they just get below it and fail, then the opposite end of the balance, which would be the weekly high, would be the target. So all things to keep in mind. Remember, we have some really interesting things going on here on the daily. We have a triple top, and we have 6 highs, all really close to each other, including a couple of weekly highs. So it would be very, very interesting if we ever get back to that level. The daily is down for now. We'll see if we trade inside of Friday and have an inside day, which will give us a lot more market-generated information going forward to tomorrow. Right now, 444.11 is the 200-day moving average. Okay? That's smack in the middle. Well, not... Actually, it's basically when the single prints start. Remember, that is a fairly large set, the first one. So keep that all in mind. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.